Hi everybody, we're working on Violin 2's part of Jingle Bells in this video. So Violin 2, you are very lucky because you share a lot of the melody in this piece. We share it with the Violin 1. Things of note before I begin, I'm noticing that in bars 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, people are not quite playing enough of the right notes. By that I mean that I'm looking at the music right now. I have 5 G's in a row and then 4 F sharps. People are not playing enough G's. So I'm going to play you what I'm hearing in class. You think about whether or not it sounds like Jingle Bells. So pretty close, but not quite. So you want to make sure when you are looking at your music that you're following along with the notes. It's just like reading words, okay? So if you're moving your eyes too fast on the page when you're reading a book, you're going to miss some words sometimes, and that could skew your understanding of the book. Same thing in music. If you're moving your eyes too fast, you could miss a note, which could skew the understanding of the music. So I am talking, I do apologize that this is backwards right now, but I'm talking specifically about these 2 bars here. Okay, here's bar 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, bar 9, bar 10. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 G's, then 1, 2, 3, 4 F sharps. So when you're playing, please make sure that you're paying special attention to those bars to make sure you're playing the right amount of notes. So I'm going to play the whole second Violin 2 part at tempo, and then I'm going to play it again a little slower. Now, at the beginning, you have 4 bars of rest. I am going to count those through just to get you in the habit of counting that through, okay? If you're practicing at home, you might choose to just start at bar 5 because that's where you have notes. That's fine, but keep in mind you do have 4 bars of rest at the beginning. You can either count 4 times and keep track on your fingers, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, okay, to keep up. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, prepare, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so something else you might have noticed, I was doing something called a retake. It looks like this. So all it is in the music, it's notated by a little comma above your quarter rest. And all you're doing there is wherever you've stopped in the bow, doesn't matter where you are, it could be at the tip, could be at the middle, okay? You're going to go from that spot, make a little tiny circle, and go back to the frog, which is near your hands, okay? And then you're going to continue on down bow. So I'm going to play that part again a little slower, starting again at the very beginning, and see if you can play along. Listening, especially in those 2 bars I was talking about before, bar 6, 7, 8, bar 9 and 10, pardon me, I've got a lot of music in my head right now, bar 9 and 10 to make sure you're changing those notes at the right time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Two, three, four. So you notice at the very end, I kept counting. Okay, you don't have notes in your part, but the violin 1 does. So even though your part is finished making sound, you're not done playing. Okay, you still have rest written in your part, which means you are not quite finished. As an ensemble, we like to prepare our violins at the same time and put them down at the same time. It just adds to our little professionalism piece. So if you feel like you are good with this part, I would recommend that you play along with the violin 1 part so you can hear their part is fairly similar, but there's a few differences you might want to acquaint yourselves with. So take a listen to that. And then just another little tip. I know I've given you a lot of pearls of wisdom in this video, but you want to really make sure you're watching your bow grip. Okay, that's going to make a big difference in your sound, and also how you're holding the violin. Notice that my left hand here, there is lots of space between my wrist and the body of the violin. A lot of beginning students collapse their wrist like this. I know why you do it, okay? I did it too. Almost everybody who starts playing a violin or viola does this. You want to do this because you're afraid your violin is going to fall, okay? The fact is that you are actually holding your instrument from your chin, okay? Putting a sponge or a shoulder rest here is going to help you to do that. This hand here is not for support, okay? This hand is just for making notes, so you need to keep that space open in here, okay? It's just part of your proper posture. Maybe get somebody at home to tell you if you're breaking your wrist or not, or take a look in the mirror, okay? And I know it's not exactly the most natural feeling, but I promise you it's going to come with time. So that's it for now. A bit of a long video for Jingle Bells Violin 2, but packed full of information for you. Happy practicing and good luck!